Hey everybody, I just wanted to record a quick wrap up on my thoughts with the Eizzy Bar Pro. First off, shout out to Vue Cyclones for sending me this, and to Sterling Davis for putting on the challenge in the first place. I think the challenge itself is really awesome because it gets us all together and we upcycle and repurpose stuff, which is really awesome. But man, this thing is an absolute dream. I've been tearing apart pallets with pry bars, crowbars, hammers, mallets, beating on them from the back. Paul Mayette has a really good method. I've seen a couple people use it more so since the last time he showed it. But you throw a big chunk of wood up under the pallet board and use that to force it out. That's been my go-to method up until now. This took me like 4 minutes to break down a single-sided full-size pallet. Normally that could take upwards of 20 minutes sometimes if you're trying to save everything and not use the jigsaw method. I don't really like sawing the runners off the slats because I like to use all the pieces and sometimes the nails. But anyway, this thing is absolutely a beast. If you haven't tried one, go ahead and get it. It's ridiculous. It's a huge time saver. If you do this, if you've got giant scrap piles like I've got, this is like hardly any of it. This is really going to save your back and your time. I'm sweating to death because it's hot. That was zero effort tearing that thing apart. So again, thanks to Vue Cyclones. Thanks Sterling. Eizzy, it's an awesome product. Catch you guys later.